Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about the structure of a C program. Actually, C program is a collection of one or more functions. Each function will be containing one or some statements. Each statement, so that statements will be performing some specific task. So structure of a C program will be look like this. The first statement here we are seeing is comments. Comments can be placed anywhere in the program. So those can be enclosed in a like a double slash and slash and star. Comments will be like single line comments and multiple line comments. So use of these comments in our program is to understand the purpose, or for the documentation purpose we will be using these comments in our program. And the next one is pre-processor directives. So these are processed through the processor stage. So before sending it to the compiler stage, these will be processed in the pre-processor stage. So the commonly used pre-processor directives are hash include and hash define. Hash include is used to include the header files, and hash define is used to declare any constants or macros in our program. And coming to global variables, these global variables can be declared before the main function or after the main function. So basically use of these global variables is, if we want to use one variable in all the functions, like in the main function, in the function one, so we have to declare that function as that variable as globally. So then only we can use that variable in all the functions. So after that, main function in C program will be having a main function exactly like it is a necessary. See, execution of a C program will be mainly starting from the main function itself. If our program is having a only one function, means so it is exactly the main function only. So if our program is containing more than any one function, means other than the main function we will be having a user defined functions. So those functions we can declare and we can define those functions. So in each function we will be having some local variables and some statements. Local variables means the scope of this local variables will be in this function itself. So these variables we cannot use other than this function. Like here whatever we declare in this function, we cannot use this use that variables in this function one. So those are local variables, but we can use these global variables in main function as well as function one. So those that is the difference between local and global. Yeah. Here I have declared this main function. This is the predefined function in the C program, and here function 1 is the user defined function. So we can declare any statements and any variables in this function 1 program. So here I am explaining those structure of a C program with some example. So the first one is preprocessor directive. This is the preprocessor directive. Hash include, this is the most used directive. In every program we can see this preprocessor directive. So here I have declared some macro, hash define. So to declare that macro we have to use hash define. So here I have written square. Square means I have written like this. Square it is means. So at the place of a square we will be replacing with the 2 star 2, means 2 into 2. So that value will be assigned to that variable we have, wherever we have declared. So int a is the global variable. So here I am using that global variable in the main function as well as in the function 1. So I can access that variable in both functions. So that is the global variable. So yeah, here the comments are there. This is the single line comment. Actually here I have written like this. Yeah, this is how we can declare. the comments. This is the single line comment, and this is the multi-line comments. So first line and second line, I have declared this as multi-line comments. So these comments cannot be included in the compiler stage. This will be vanished in the preprocessor stage itself. And here I am declaring b variable as a int, and I am assigning this square variable to this. So in the place of a square, it will be replaced with the 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. This 4 value is assigning to this b variable. Yeah, here I am accessing that a variable as well as b variable. So values will be printed here. So every global variable will be replaced with the 0 value. In function 1, just I am printing a value. So here how it will be printed means a equal to 0 value in the user defined function. Like that it will be print. This is the structure of a C program. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment too. Thank you.